everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's do a little quick walk around. 1981 Pontiac Trans Am we just bought. Beautiful car, very rare car. One owner, 3,700 miles. 5 liter in it with a factory 4-speed. Very, very rare. Got all the documentation. This is a rare find, guys. You don't find these cars every day like this, especially 3,700 miles. Brand new tires on it. We've got all the documentation. Factory T-top car. Gauges work. We've got power windows, rear window defroster. Power antenna works. Remember, this is an original Survivor here. Pink flaws here, a couple dings here and there. But it's still cool. 3,700 miles. No documentation you don't find. Factory window sticker still on the driver's window, and the window's never been down. There are factory gauges, factory radio works, all windows, remote mirror, power locks. Factory stickers you can read. Beautiful car, red on red. Questions at all, you can give me a call anytime. My name's Dave. This car's not going to last, so don't find them like this. We'll get it back to the shop this week, get some more pictures, another video here. Just want to do a quick one for you guys to get online here real fast. So don't lose it. You don't find them like this. And Dave from Showdown, showdownauto.com. Thanks for watching, guys.